So this is another there's another one that connects. This is not the one though. So like for instance, when we're coming back, if people are tired, this is a shortcut that will actually bring us back faster. This is the beginning of the trail here. We got everybody together. Got a nice waterfall coming up. Here we are a little ways up the trail. As you can see, it's a very tight forest-like trail. It's hot out, but a little bit fresh in the shade. And the terrain is fairly steep. I'd say it's like a medium grade. And it's rocky, but the stones are mostly flat. Unlike in Panama where they're just kind of hexagonal shape or something. So when you step on them, they don't cause you a lot of instability. We're about halfway up for where we're going today. Gotta get a couple more shots. Hey babe, I see you. Yeah. Strong. Beautiful. The mountains here are very dramatic. They've got steep faces, but the pathways are very nice actually. Overall, they're about on par with France or Colorado. Pretty nice. Not so many people. We've basically had the trail to ourselves the whole time. I'm excited to see what we have tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll do Coma Pedrosa, which is the biggest one we're going to do in this area. And it's about 3,000 meters. There's the valley below. You can see there's like 2 or 3 towns back there, and the mountains just go on and on and on. All right, onward. We're up a little bit higher now, about halfway up where we will go today. And then here's a little bit of the side of one of the mountains we've been traveling towards, just to give you an idea of the terrain. So I made a little cairn there. So one of the peaks is actually up to our right over there, which is Peak de Estani, but we can't see it right now. I believe this is where we're going tomorrow. The Valley of Kings right here. We're going to Mordor, look. We're going way back there. This is amazing, you know? There you go. That looks so epic. You guys are gonna like this. This is nice.
Beautiful.
Look, there's our peak there.
That one.
Yeah, check it out. You want a selfie with it? That one's cool, right?
Yeah, there.
That's the capa de alta, capa alta or something like that. Okay, so check it out. We're about, I think about halfway down the mountain now. I wanted to give you guys an idea of the range from a different angle. So we've been traveling horizontally, parallel to the other range most of the day. We started out on the other side. Tomorrow we'll be going up there. I believe that's the one. It's either that one or this one, which is Coma Pedrosa, the highest mountain in this valley area in Andorra. And later we will go to Banesque, which is in Spain, a different area. Not so far away, but there you can find larger mountains like Neto and some other ones that we're considering doing later on in the week. So it's been very beautiful. We got some cloud cover now. It was very hot during the daytime. Now it's a little bit cooler, although there's still quite a bit of radiation up here. We're not that high. We're probably around 1,600 meters or so at the moment. Over there will be, I believe, 2,950. So that's pretty much what is to be expected up there. So not the highest we've ever done, but you do about 1,500 meters of elevation gain in a very short distance, like 8 or 9 kilometers. So it's going to be intense, but fun. And my family and friends are coming this way. You can kind of see them up here, I believe, on the camera. I can't quite see with the sunlight, but they're on the way. Everybody's doing pretty good. All right, I'll talk to you guys later on, further down the mountain. Okay, we finished. Okay. There you go. So yeah, we finished. Everybody seemed to do pretty good overall. A little bit of a shock to the system, but everybody's adapting, and tomorrow is another day. I think we're gonna do better. Everybody's adjusted to the elevation, to the activity. So I think we're gonna do great. And we couldn't ask for a much better day. It was mostly sunny, a little bit of clouds for some cover from the sun. And the temperature's much fresher now with some breeze, so we're feeling pretty good. No sun, no showers, nothing like that.